That's 10 for?
Yeah.
Alright, let's play the trunk.
Go. Man, we got him.
We got him. Go. So hurry up before the cops come. Hey, get up.
Get up. Hurry up, get up. Come on, you're gonna do something for us. Come on. Turn the page.
It's powerful.
We have to do some homework. We need to turn it in today.
I know.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
That.
Right there, it's all for X and Y and Z. Hurry up!
Hurry up. What are you waiting for?
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Oh, damn. Relax.
No. Who left? Ah, what the?
Raccoon,
Hey, what the
get off the car.
Hey,
Get off the car, Raccoon.
Go, man, we're cool, dude. Let's go. Let's go. Don't hurt me. What happened? Do a homework. Hey, hurry up. Do my homework. Don't hurt me. Do the homework.
Explain how to do it.
Hey, I was explaining right now. Hold up.
Show me how to do it.
I'll show
Hurry
you how
up.
to do it right now, man.
You don't have to tell me.
Okay,
You don't
okay,
pass me
okay,
around.
Okay, I'll do it. Sorry, I'll do this. Okay, you get these two, and you get this answer right here, and then over here you multiply this by 4, by -4, and you get this answer, and you combine, you add these two answers, you add them together, and then you get, and then over here you, with this answer that you get over here, you get it and you multiply it by 3, and these two will cancel out. All three of them will cancel out, which will give you 0 equals 0, which is infinite many solutions. You got that, boy?
What? You don't tell me nothing. You don't tell me nothing.
Yellow? Illegal math? Where I'm on that street?
Hey guys, what are you guys doing? Hey, I heard there's some illegal math on here. Sorry, officer. Thank God you're here.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Wait, this is illegal. You do know that, right?
Yeah, I know this is illegal stuff.
Do you have a license for this?
No, officer. I don't have a license.
Are you sure you don't
I
have?
was forced to do this, officer.
Show me your ID.
You're beating out in my car.
Hey, you guys! Hey, what are you guys doing?
Hey, you got the paper? Yes, sir. Yeah? You got the question? We need to send it in today. Yeah. What? What is that?